Hey, this is MT from Vintage Speed. Today I received this cool gift from Remmele from Germany, and I want to show you about those CNC cylinder head. Come here, I show you detail. Okay, from this one. So this is a Type 1 with extra cooling fins. And this is Type 1 exhaust port, and the intake is Type 4 intake port, and Type 1 rocker arm. According to the information, this cylinder head, you can drive high RPM in autobahn for 1 hour, 2 hours, and engine still in very good temperature, never overheat. I think the cooling fin give you a lot of extra surface. Okay, so the next one, this is a CNC Type 4. The port, exhaust port, is a CU, and the rest of the cylinder the same like Type 4. Of course, this is a lot of cooling surface, a lot of cooling fin, and stronger on the spark plug. And next one, this one is a little bit different. This is a Type 4, but come with a Type 1 style exhaust port. So for this cylinder head, AD has a test on the engine up to 3.6 liter. I mean 3,600 cc on a Type 4 engine. So this is entire revolution for Type 4 engine. Yes, so in those cylinder head, and we hope we can work more details. And in this May, I able to go to Germany and see 80 and maybe more autobahn test drive. And my goal is top speed for 1 hour. Yes. So let me show you one more time. So this is a Type 1 cylinder head with superflow type intake, Type 1 exhaust. Lots of cooling fin, lots of area. And this is Type 4 CU exhaust port, complete CNC for big engine. Any engine larger than 3 liter, you need this cylinder head. And this one is for 3.6 liter Type 4 with a Type 1 exhaust port. Check this out. Yes. Okay, so today I show you these monsters, and yeah, let's go drive in May in autobahn. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Vintage Speed. Thank you.